Hello students, how are you? So we are back on your favorite learning platform, Learn Forward, and we are going to study from Vidya, People and Places. This is chapter number 17, Being Good. What is being good? अच्छा करना, किसी के साथ अच्छे से रहना, टाइम वेस्ट ना करना, अपने सारे काम टाइम पे करना और सारी चीज़ें बहुत डिसिप्लिन के साथ और बहुत अरेंज करके अपनी चीज़ों को पूरा करना. It can be anything in life. It can be your homework, it can be your daily activities or anything. So in this chapter, we are going to study some things which you should be good. You should never waste time. You should always utilize your time. अपने time को कभी waste मत करो. हमेशा अच्छे से उसे utilize करो. So I hope you are all ready with your books. Let's start the chapter. We work and play at a fixed time. So जब हम एक fixed time होता है जिसमें हम काम करते हैं और जिस time हम खेलते हैं. We never waste time. Time को कभी भी waste नहीं करना चाहिए. We go to bed early. We rise early. हमें सोना भी जल्दी चाहिए और उठना भी जल्दी चाहिए. Now we wish our elders at night and in the morning. So हमें अपने elders को रात को सोने से पहले और सुबह उठने के बाद हमेशा उन्हें विश करना चाहिए. So this is a very good habit. We always go to school in the school uniform, and whenever we go to school, we wear our school uniform, which should be clean and tidy. We reach the school in time. We should always reach the school in time. We should not be late. We go for the assembly in a queue. So whenever you go to the assembly in the school, you should always go in a queue. Never push each other. We stand in a queue for a water. So जब हम पानी भी अपनी bottle refill करते हैं, you should always stand in a queue. You should not push each other. We do not push each other. We wait for our turn. अपनी turn की wait करनी चाहिए. एक दूसरे को धक्का नहीं मारना चाहिए. We do not tease anybody. किसी को tease नहीं करना चाहिए. We do not make a noise. शोर नहीं मचाना चाहिए. We move about quietly whenever teacher instruct you. You should always move quietly, never rush things. Do it very quietly and politely. We stand up when teachers come to our class. So whenever the teacher enters in a class, you all get up and wish your teachers, right? So we stand up. हमें खड़ा होना चाहिए जब भी हमारी टीचर हमारी क्लास में एंटर करती हैं, to greet them and to wish them. We wish our teachers, we listen to them quietly. हमें उन्हें wish करना चाहिए और उनकी बात चुपचाप ध्यान से सुननी चाहिए. So in this scene, you can see that all students are standing and wishing the teacher. Now, we all speak softly. We do not use foul words. So हमें हमेशा बहुत softly बोलना चाहिए, चिल्लाना नहीं चाहिए, harshly नहीं बोलना चाहिए. एंड कभी भी फाउल वर्ड्स नहीं यूज करने चाहिए, मतलब गलत नहीं वर्ड्स नहीं बोलने चाहिए which are bad. So these are some things these are some words which you have been learning. What are they? We say please if we ask for something. So if you want something, if you ask for something, you should always say please. We say thank you if we get something. So if someone gives you something, what do they say? You always say thank you to them, right? Now we say welcome when someone says thank you to us. So कभी भी हमें कोई thank you बोलता है, what should we say in return? We should say welcome. We say sorry if we do anything wrong. हमें हमेशा sorry बोलना चाहिए अगर हम कुछ भी गलत करते हैं. We say it's all right if someone says sorry to us. If someone is saying you sorry, what should you say? You should say it's all right. Now these are some dialogues. First, please give me your pen. If you are asking for something, what do you add? You add please to it. Please give me your pen. Happy birthday, Kajal. So what she is saying? Thank you. And if someone is saying sorry to you, what do you say? It's all right. Now, assess yourself. A, take the correct answer. First, we reach the school early, late, in time. So we should reach the school in time. Second, we do not dash foul words. So we do not use foul words. Third, we say dash if we do anything wrong. So whenever we do anything wrong, what do we say? We say sorry. So C is the answer. We say sorry if we do anything wrong. Now, match the following assembly. If you are going to assembly, you should always go in a queue. Speaking, you should always speak softly. Third, asking. If you are asking somebody for something, you should always add please to it. Doing wrong, if you have done anything wrong, what do you say? We say sorry. Now tick right for good manner and cross for a bad manner. So जो आप good manners है, tick for that. अगर bad manners है, so we will put a cross. First, listen to your teachers quietly. Yes, we should listen to our teachers quietly. Second, use foul words. No, we should not use foul words. It is very bad. So this is cross. Third, early to bed and early to rise. This is a very good habit, so tick. Fourth, push others for drinking water. No, that is wrong. Now answer in one word. First, what do you say if you ask for something? So if you are asking for something, if you want something, what do we say? We say please. P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Now, second, what do you say if you do anything wrong? अगर आप कुछ गलत करते हो तो आप क्या कहते हो? We say sorry. S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. Answer in one sentence. How do you go for the assembly? So, we go for the assembly in a queue. So, we will write the answer here. We go for the assembly in a queue. Now, second, what do you do when teachers come to your class? So, whenever a teacher enters our class, what do? We should stand up and wish them. So, we should stand up and wish them. So, this was your answer for E. So, we have completed the chapter. If you have any problem, you can watch the video again. Thank you so much. Happy learning.